The Donkey and the Salt. Once upon a time, there was a hard-working donkey who helped his owner carry bags of salt to the market. Every day, the donkey would walk through the hills, carrying heavy sacks of salt on his back. It was a long, tiring journey, but the donkey did his best. One day, as the donkey was crossing a river with his load of salt, he slipped and fell into the water. To his surprise, when he stood up, the sacks had become lighter. The salt had dissolved in the water, and the donkey realized he had less to carry.
Wow, thought the donkey, this is great! If I fall in the water every time, I won't have to carry anything at all.
The next day, the donkey decided to try it again. He deliberately walked into the river, hoping to lighten his load once more. But this time, his owner had packed bags of sponges instead of salt. When the donkey fell into the water, the sponges soaked up the water and became much heavier. Now the donkey had to carry a much bigger load, and he learned an important lesson. Sometimes, trying to get out of work or cheat the system only makes things worse. From that day on, the donkey worked honestly, and he never tried to find shortcuts again. He realized that hard work and honesty always lead to better results. This story teaches kids that trying to avoid work or get away with something may seem tempting, but in the end, it can backfire. Hard work and honesty are always the best path.